In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assign tasks in ClickUp so you can streamline your team's workflow and make sure everything gets done effectively. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start with step 1. Log in to ClickUp. Open the ClickUp app or go to clickup.com and sign into your account using your email and password. It's always a good idea to double check your login details to make sure everything is working correctly. Next, navigate to the workspace containing the task you want to assign. ClickUp's interface is designed to be really intuitive, so you'll find the workspace you need pretty quickly. This is where all your projects and tasks live, so it's important to be in the right one. Now for step 2, locate the task. Find the specific task you want to assign. ClickUp makes it easy to search for tasks by name, description, or status. Take a moment to double check that you found the correct task before moving on. Alright, let's get to the assignment. Step 3. Assign the task. Click on the assignee field within the task. This is where you'll select the person responsible for completing the work. Once you've chosen the assignee, their name should automatically appear beside the task. That confirms they've been added. Just a quick tip here, always make sure the assignee has access to the task and the workspace. Permission settings can be found in the workspace settings, so don't hesitate to check them if you're having any trouble. Adding a clear due date before assigning the task is also a great practice. It creates accountability and helps keep things on track. And finally, include a detailed task description to ensure everyone understands exactly what needs to be done. Now let's quickly recap. You've successfully assigned a task in ClickUp, ensuring it's clearly delegated and tracked within your team's workflow. Remember, assigning tasks correctly is the foundation of a productive and efficient team. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore ClickUp's many other features to help you manage your work even more effectively. See you in the next video.